So guys, mayroon din tayong ibang i-unboxing. It's wedding gift also. Actually, nakabalot to from Cabiad Family. Actually, na-mix ko to guys. Nandito kay Madam Jen Aliyah. Yes, itong dalawang perfume. Ang bango Madam Super. So, ito lahat kay Kathy. No, Cabiad Family pala. Kay Kathy and Canly, Allen and Dinah. So, mayroon pa silang pag-ratings na nalalaman. Thank you, Kat. Mabango yung what's this? Yung mga pabango na nandito. So, ito. Best wishes. So, ngayon ko lang to na-unboxing guys. Gawa ng busy ako. Busy kami. Nandun kami sa India. Turn the card upside down. What? Nagkamali. They are wrong. Dito. She putting here in here. Dinah and Allen, may you continue to love, cherish, and enjoy all the simple joy in your lives together. Our family wishing you more happiness, blessings, and stronger foundation as you start a new journey as husband and wife. Congratulations on your wedding, Cabiad Family, from Kathy and Candy. O yan, dito si Kitty Pie Kat nakikinig at nakaintindi siya gawa ng English. Nothing. So this is for Kathy guys, o diba? No, this is for Jom. Nilagay ko dito lahat. Yes, ang ganda niya. So ganito to guys, actually may wrapper to, yeah. At nalagay ko na yung ibang scents doon sa bathroom. Ang bango super. So, ito. And this one. So, this one. So, all is...
Full kit, right?
Yeah, it's a full kit actually. Very good, Kitty Pie. And of course, this one. For our honeymoon kit.
8 years after honeymoon.
8 years after honeymoon. So, it's so much cute, Kat. Seriously. Nilagay ko to sa bathroom. At ang daming doong pwedeng ilagay. Thank you so much, Kat. From me and Kitty Pie. Magtagay na daw sila si Canly.